Welcome to the fascinating world of narrow AI. These AI systems are designed for specific tasks or domains. They excel within a defined scope, but falter when faced with tasks outside their specialized field. Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant, or Google Translate are quintessential examples of narrow AI, or how Netflix seems to always know exactly what movie you're in the mood for, and then the recommendation systems used by Netflix, Amazon, and Spotify. These platforms employ narrow AI to analyze your preferences and behavior, suggesting content, products, or music that hit just the right note. From virtual personal assistants and image recognition to recommendation systems and fraud detection, narrow AI is the driving force behind many of the technologies we use every day. This form of artificial intelligence is all around us, subtly weaving its magic in the background of our everyday lives. Unlike general AI, which aims to replicate human intellect, narrow AI is limited to narrow domains and cannot perform tasks outside of its specific scope. So the next time you ask Siri for the weather, remember, you're experiencing the power of narrow AI.